Janome.
When the Continental M7 initially came out, it was a true game changer. This machine was the first to feature 13.7 inches of sewing space to the right of the needle, a new, powerful brushless motor to give it extra strength and needle penetration power, making it the most robust machine on the market. Other firsts, such as computerized needle plate removal with the touch of a button, an integrated upper feed system, and an ergonomically placed 7-inch high-definition color touchscreen. This machine has since been retired, but the new, recently released Continental M6 carries on all the features you have come to love, and it's offered in a fresh new color. The Continental M6 has the same great style, but with a new look and upgraded features. Introducing the Continental M6. The first thing you notice about the Continental M6 is its size and solid body construction. The Continental M6 features 13.7 inches of sewing space. Use this space to tackle large quilts or sewing projects with ease. You can clearly see the project you're working on with super bright LED lights in 3 locations, and you can even adjust the brightness to suit your needs. The new M6 features a slimmer head design to give you a clearer line of sight. A great convenience feature of this machine is the enhanced needle threader. This makes threading your machine easier than ever. The M6 is equipped with SFSI intelligent feed system. That means when the presser foot lifts, the feed dog's lower so that they can easily position your fabrics beneath the presser foot without any drag. The computerized one-touch needle plate lets you easily change the needle plate and give you easy access to clean the bobbin area. The large, bright, centrally located LCD touchscreen gives you easy, clear access to all of the machine features at your fingertips. An independent bobbin winder motor lets you wind a bobbin while you are sewing. And with the dual thread stands, you can even use king spools. The M6 is equipped with a powerful brushless motor. This gives you the ability to sew through various fabrics and layers. And this machine is capable of sewing up to 1,300 stitches per minute. This machine features 400 built-in stitches and now includes stitch tapering. Now you can create perfect mitered corners with decorative stitches. The Continental M6 is robust, rugged, and reliable, and now at a great price. For pricing and to purchase, contact your local authorized Janome dealer today. Right now, for a limited time, Janome is offering a bonus kit with purchase of new M6. The bonus kit includes an extra-wide extension table, high-performance foot and plate, AcuFeed Foot, accessory storage case, and 3 AcuView magnifiers. This is over a $500 value, all included at no additional cost. So be sure to contact your local dealer today before this special is over.